To everyone. So in previous class we have seen how to do buffer for the road networks. So today we will see how we can make a buffer for how we can go for the dissolve that buffer. What is the buffer we have prepared in previous class? So we can see this is not dissolve. These are the overlapping polygons are there. So today we'll see how we can go for the dissolve attributes and we'll see the perfect roads. So first we have tried import ARCPY to importing ARCPY libraries. Next one, I want to store that data output in that class data. So for that you have to we have to set the environment for the ArcGIS. So we can do from ARCPY import env. So we are importing that library, that particular environment setting directly here. In dot workspace equal to simply we can drag that folder path, and this is the inner D drive and this is the folder. Simply we can hit enter. Once it confirm that workspace, later that we can go for the dissolve arcpy dot dissolve, and we can go for the dissolve management. Now it will give the suggestion which file you want to dissolve. So we'll go for the buffer roads. We'll select it. Next one, it is asking for the output feature class. So what is the output name we want to give? So we'll give polyroads. So we can change this thing as per our whatever the output name we want to give. We can give it polyroads and close quotations and close bracket. And so some other attributes are there. So this is the optionals are there. We can give that field name further and some statistical field multi-part and all these things. So these are the default parameters. So only we'll do the buffer roads, that input and output. These are the compulsory, or we can say these are the must parameters we have to give, and we'll get in. So after that we'll get the actual polygons, which is the dissolve polygons. We'll get it. Now process is going on. Once output will complete, it will be added to our table content. Now it is taking starting point time. So now we can see we got it. So this is the, so we can see these are the polygons. These are the dissolved polygons. There is no overlapping. If we go to the buffer, so these are the overlappings are here. I can show you. This is the only one, isn't it? So like that we can make it from the dissolved polygons. Thanks for watching my videos.